In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze an Excel data and even probably plot a curve or a chart with Grok. So I have this Excel data that I want to analyze and probably plot the chart. This Excel that talks about the different products, ship mode, profit, unit price, shipping cost, and customer name from here. So I'm going to plot a chart on this and then analyze it directly. So while I'm on Grok, I can come to add a file, attach a file directly, and then I'm going to go directly on this. All right, so I'm going to open this and I'm going to type in my question. Can you analyze this chart, this data, and give me a good chart to represent the efficiency of the system? All right, so let's just go ahead and hit on enter to this and let's wait and see what it is going to analyze and bring out. Okay, so take a look at the data analysis to provide data set from this, key insights directly, regular air, delivery truck, express air, and so on. And then it has fetched in the data and give you an overview of the performance by ship mode. You can see the key details as well as the recommended chart for efficiency, data description, and so on. Take a look at the chart. Now it is generating. This is the kind of chart it generates. So I want to ask you to write, can you give me a better line chart, okay, based on the data above? All right, so we can hit on enter and let's see. So take a look at the data analysis overview that it is giving us. Profit by customer, how much profit it is getting, and then profit by ship mode. This is it. Delivery truck, regular air, and express air. You can see all of them. So now let's see for the line chart performance. I suggest plotting against transaction sequence to visualize the fluctuations. Alternatively, we could plot cumulative profit to show overall growth. Would you like me to generate an image of this line chart? Yes, please. Go ahead and generate the image of the line chart that we just asked. So you take a look at the power in this Grok. It is going to actually generate the image of the chart that we just asked it. So take a look at the chart. Very, very well written, well drawn. Okay, this is the performance chart across transactions from transaction sequence prices profit. You can download this completely free of charge. So this is basically how to use this Grok to analyze your data, your Excel data, and even make very reasonable conclusion out of it from based on the analysis it has given you. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.